So the one thing that I've noticed is your twin flame can be anything. It really doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't. And the whole thing about the journey to self, I call it a journey to self because it is, right? And a lot of times we make it about an apparent other, okay? Twin flame. When there is no separate being here, and I know that's like hard to believe because you're seeing a separate entity, right? But that's all a part of the illusion, right? It's actually your energy appearing as is, okay? And the energy appears, this is what I resonate with, the energy appears in that way to push you to self, okay? And the one thing I really realized about the journey is the energy also shows up to show you self-worth, right? To know your value. So it's okay to put up boundaries. There's nothing wrong with that. And if you feel like the apparent twin flame, your twin flame is a narcissist, then it's okay to put up boundaries, right? And you know something, from what I've seen is when you do that, it just kind of pulls the energy in because you're not settling. You're knowing your worth. You're knowing your value. And for some reason, the twin will show up even more because you're standing in your truth. And that could be either through the signs or physically. I mean, there's no certain way the twin will ever show up. The twin shows up the way the twin shows up. And whether it's through signs or a physical being, right? And you'll see it more and more the more you turn to self, right? And make it about you. So yeah, you know, the twin can appear in different ways. And yeah, I mean, if you want to call it a narcissist, then okay, yeah. There's no rules to this, right? There are no rules. There's no textbook here. You know? You have to go with what resonates with you at the end of the day. Because no one really knows. You know what I mean? This isn't a knowing. It's not a knowing. It's an energetic resonation, right? Resonating. It's an energetic resonating. And if that resonates with you, then that's what resonates with you. And if you feel that your twin flame is a narcissist, then turn to self. Don't put all the effort into something that's not serving you as a person. And I'm not one to tell someone what to do, because you got to do what's right for you at the end of the day. But this is a journey to self. And I feel that's why this huge apparent phenomenon happens the way it does. But this is just what I resonate with. You got to go with what resonates with you at the end of the day. But yeah, put up boundaries. Draw the line in the sand. It's okay, because look, you have to literally get rid of that fear, because the fear is what pushes the twin flame anyways. You have to get out of the fear of losing or feeling abandoned or feeling alone, right? You have to get out of the fear of that. So yeah, put up boundaries. Put you first. And watch how fast the energy pulls in, because it is you. And it doesn't even pull in, but you'll feel something. You'll feel the shift in the energy. That's what will happen, is you'll feel this shift in the energy once you turn to self and you draw a line in the sand and you make it about you.